Add Edlina for me.
But me not say Edlina upon live.
Nobody now ask you that. We ask if you add type in the person name. You just
type mem, there's nothing to search for.
You know, say honestly, sometimes you really and truly get up and eat my skin. See there. See the pan TikTok how long and I know say you could type in people name to this so?
It's an invitation off. How much you can try it?
Of course, the invitation
off.
Well, unless me block you Ross, because sometimes I don't like him, you know. Block you Ross and already.
Hard forget to you.
Oh, because that's why I couldn't get to my daughter either. You understand me, honey?
Yes.
Guys, on the top of the live,
like,
you know, on the candy on the live, I'm not top up a screen, please.
Oh, I'm too much. When I put on control, I can drink and smoke for your life.
I have to put it on back because I type of live when we run. I have to put it on back. You understand me?
Yeah.
We are freeze. You're freeze. You're freezing. Yeah, me I played boilish. Tell boilish to me come in.
Two way. What do you ask? Are you that? Allah, so far sit for. So, you can put on other control when they live.
Yeah. Me have to use it for my thing, my stream. I have to use it.
Oh. Guys, come in, guys. You know, push up a score. Push up a score, guys.
You know, someone hello, we didn't need to talk how long, you know, but I don't feel like I want to do it right here, so right now. So I'm going to just go and talk with you right there, start play your game or whatever. Because remember, I know, all of the ants them have to drop in. So nobody feel like you are gateway, you're not gateway. So hear me I say, guys, I want to top up a scream. First thing first, I tell you this, you see my haters them? Yeah, I rate to because Uno make me reach somewhere here. All of the haters them are Uno push me out there, Uno don't know that. You see, Auntie Elma, you need to go relax yourself. Because I thought the truth say you fuck TikTok police. Auntie Elma, you fuck TikTok police. You're a big old, great old woman. You're a senior citizen. Auntie Elma, TikTok police are draw down your big old bingo bag, your pampas. TikTok police are take off your pampas and fuck your old woman. Yeah. Remember say Candy wow, they catch you. Are they with VIP? Remember say Candy wow, they catch you, Auntie Elma, they with VIP. You come talk about my pitney and blood clot school. Auntie Elma, you don't know nothing about my blood clot pitney them drunk crow. All man, are you a fuck TikTok police now? Remember say are you a build the house when me shit in a drunk crow. Yeah, make me chat to you, all man. Thinking all man, senior citizen, where TikTok police are take off your pampas. Are you me a chat to drunk crow? All man, all senior citizen, TikTok police are water your hole and clean down your cobweb. Yeah, you never want nobody know. You see TikTok police come out over there with your page. Big brawl off on him girl page. Yeah, LD know. What the TikTok police come out and run scam boss him lose him page. They on the all senior citizen page. Yeah, him big thinking all man we didn't fight against me when the TikTok police did there. Remember say you take Candy Wow man. Remember say you didn't there with VIP drunk crow. Remember say Candy Wow come catch your jar down your big old bingo bag for go there with VIP back way for go take a backers. Guys, we're going to sump on a double. All man, you think me never gonna answer you? After no TikTok police mother that. We're not going to talk about TikTok police mother. I seen a citizen there with the old man named Elma. Elma, yeah. Auntie Elma, Auntie Elma that. She didn't take Candy Wow man. She didn't help Candy Wow and VIP. Yeah.
Where is the purpose? Get it straight, I don't understand.
Blood clot cost me, all dirty thinking crutches, woman. I know no bag of argument with her. I tell her the truth and it a go burn her.
So she real pampas with you?
Me see a senior citizen, she walk too long, she piss up herself, look a twinkle drop in her jaws. I don't know how TikTok police I come, hey, that boy they do anything for money. That boy they do anything for blood clot money. No come tell me if you stop move your blood clot and work and then over there class me and I say nothing.
I say my chopper.
I say my blood clot chopper, move and go. You do over there. Auntie Elma, me now beg you do go and get a look cobweb clean down, my love. Remember, yeah, everybody needs someone, Auntie Elma. So ease yourself and go on over this so. Where you come go on so, mama?
Come in my team, top up the
As far as Auntie Elma left from and come for your man.
Brittany go suck, Brittany, no make me disrespect you, yeah, all a black ya. Every day you no come with the same thing.
You know, old man can't come
come
class me. A long time you didn't set me up dirty thinking, old man. I saw you take up Candy Wow and her man. Same so she set up Candy Wow and her man. The same thing she do with Candy Wow. That's the one who did hear Candy come out and a cuss. When Candy Wow did come out and a cuss about VIP and the gifter, it was that same old man where they did not talk about. Auntie Elma, they walk and they with young boy in a Jamaica mind. The same old man, they are she me a talk about. Yes, senior citizen woman. TikTok police a take off your pampers, dirty old woman. Are you me a chat? Yeah, make it fun, you know. Go on over there, go cuss about me pitney them this and me pitney them that. Because the only thing when you can jump on and me pitney them, me pitney them, me pitney them, me pitney them. Yeah.
Pitney them. That they want to hear, man.
That's the only thing they can jump on, LD, you know. Me pitney them, me pitney them, me pitney them this, me pitney them that.
So next one, oh. Yeah.
Double tap for you guys. We're gonna some taps.
Oh, you buy, oh, I never know, me, G.
You did really feel say you are going to sit down over this and argue with me. You think me I go argue with you? I tell you the truth. I tell you the truth. TikTok police take off your pampers and your vex. Don't vex. Me left him figure you. Me left TikTok police to you. Because when me and TikTok police did in the relationship, you never did respect your relationship. Every second you're in the mig like drunk crow. As some me know say you was one of the witch. You is a demon. Remember me tell you, you is a witch. Look at dirty old man. You're the foreigner, you can't find a blood clot man. Every time the boy they do me something, you give me advice. I tell me if you take him back. Me I wonder why that old man here. I tell me if you take back the boy when the boy hurt me. Now no say I set this stinking dirty old man has set me up. You're the way a foreigner, you can't find a man, dirty old man. Eh? You come here, Jamaica, you come there with VIP. And the same thing you do with blood clot that they look all dirty, nasty blood clot boy. The woman move from your sangway. Go and go change your dirty pampers or go change your jars. You can't even walk 5 minutes good without your twinkling in your jars.
So TikTok police name shit in a pampers now.
Yeah, you see me not tell say I see a citizen the man a grind.
Nah, I want
man do anything for the money.
Nasty man.
That the boy that pass more than nasty. You see man when I like for work, they will do anything. That the boy, when man they like for work, they will do anything for money. May I tell you that? You don't see on live a ball at about how you losing page. Guys, me beg everybody drop a rose chat. You can't come and give with me? Woman, go and go sit down here, man, and behave yourself. A Father's Day today.
Guys, 8 rose.
Chat, me beg you 8 rose chat.
8 rose.
Go and go sit down, old man. And leave me alone. Me I beg you.
Man, we take care of girl in them out there. I want to me get to a girl pregnant in a good while now. And the girl say enough for me pitney. And now if you look on the pitney, a dead stamp for me. And me I tell you say, man, I take picture and post up, say, boy, I'm a father today.
Guys, beg you some taps here, please and thank you. I mean, I'm going to make you drain my energy. Hey, Elino, you see the video, you see that old man here where cuss me? I saw me know say your woman wicked out there for true, you know.
Oh, you know, man.
You don't know say, pan the woman birthday, I shoot for the woman, you know. I shoot for the woman, the same woman where class me, you know. And you don't know say this woman take the money and send go get TikTok police.
Jesus Christ.
You see your birthday when me shoot and TikTok police never did want to shoot fair and me wake him up. In teeth did not hurt him. And me wake him up and me say, remember say Auntie Elma birthday. Guys, everybody not support the platform. That's it. Because we not get no taps, we not get nothing over here. So 300 and way K likes.
Tell me some person in link.
I can't go on the street. I'm tired, want baby. Guys, I'm begging if we can tap up the stream. We have 2K people over here. Taya, thank you, baby. Guys, everybody can come together and double tap chats. Everybody can come together. Even people that will support me. Big up yourself, baby. Everybody can come together and tap up the stream. Everybody can come together and give a double tap my side. Blue team, may I ask una guys, blue team, the people that were in a blue team, may I beg on to tap up the screen my side,
you want a window with it too? Walla Black, you want a window with it too?
Thank
Yeah,
you, baby.
man.
Thank you. Guys, double tap. Bring up
Yeah,
a score, chat. Bring up a
who
score.
else?
Bring it up. Bring it up, chat. Keep up it with the 40. All right, see, the likes are go up, chat. So we
The
can go
boy
on the
kick
For
the
You
police
page.
nasty, man.
I don't see boy. I tell you, so the boy when you am everything. If a boy name Batty, you would name anything. If a boy name
Jesus
Batty, you would do
Christ.
anything. If a boy go play with him in dick for Chanzi, he would do anything.
Any man who there part TikTok police when I same thing. You know, go on.
Oh, Sabada and bright.
Guys, when you
Me say
never
TikTok,
see
me say,
people live.
LD, you know, at the same time, me I tell you, you know, me shoot for the woman, you know, so by the next day, the woman taking money and send to PayPal, go give to TikTok police. And that's how me start pre the woman and say the woman I want to do that, you know. Come here, say,
No,
you
no
know,
sense.
me and the woman are friend. So all she go take the money and go give TikTok police. Well, we shoot for her for her
Some of them
birthday.
stay
So if you
honest.
go
So
say
some of
she a
them stay.
mind TikTok police and any little thing will go down, she run go take up for him. You understand what me I say? Move your old blood clot grey pum pum and go from your store. Go with your old grey crutches and move your blood clot. You rank like a blood clot goat. Move yourself and go from your store. Afraid to tell her the truth, dirty old man, go.
No, Obi not go work. Dino tell Auntie to Auntie the woman say, the
Thank
woman
you,
say I
baby.
share money by
Guys,
TV. Honey
fair
by
money by
TV and
what?
all of them things. But fair money by
Fair money by
TV.
what? Fair money by what?
TV.
Buy us blood clot
Right.
TV. Buy us blood clot
Them
TV.
see
Buy us
them
blood
see
clot
when they go in a
TV.
store. Up to
Thinking
now the
Elma,
video they
I mean
went
going out at the store, they go
man by
purchase that the
store.
TV. Everybody see when
Me
me
see
take out the
it, and
TV
the
and buy every blood
thermos.
clot thing in the store.
And the thermos.
And the blood clot
And the
kettle.
mafia boy TV. Can on a
Thinking
store.
dirty Elma. How you come with me have proof anything me go buy me video that blood clean. Make your blood clot TikTok police going at the store. Everybody see that with them blood clot yeah. Elma, where you go with for your thinking? Hey woman, no make me jam me out today no. Elma, what you talk about? You buy which TV go away. For your money must turn in a rum and boom. For your money turn in a rum and boom because as TikTok get a money, as TikTok police get a money, go buy rum and boom.
And go buy rum and bomb.
As in
What
get
a
a money, go buy
drinking
rum
dog.
and boom. Thinking dirty blood clot Elma. And me walking at that the store there. Me have a video for prove every blood clot thing in that. Chinaman and all. Where you chat about
My
thinking
brother,
woman?
hey.
Where you talk about thinking woman? Better you see how you fix up your house when me shit in her. Better you talk about the house, the same house when me do it in her. Better you talk see how you fix up that the house. Hey woman, do where you go no man and come upset me there, you know. Don't come upset me there. You think like a dog. How you? I see something you do with Candy Wow. I see something you do with Candy Wow. You take Candy Wow, man. Remember my blood clot tell you that. I see something you do with blood clot VIP. You run up in a VIP and friend up Candy Wow for your blood clot, man. You come to Jamaica, come down your big old thinking baggy. For VIP, free off. A friend, your friend them up back and you pay their rent now. Right now, why you pay VIP them rent? Remember me tell you, when Candy Wow and VIP they break up and in the problem about the woman, the gifter, it was you. Auntie Elma, people need to know about you. Look at all woman who walk around pan blood clot TikTok and look young boy. It was you, the same old man. We take Candy Wow man when you and Candy Wow it in a problem. Remember that. You cuss about my pitney them. Tell the people them the truth about you. Tell them the truth about you. That's why your blood clot husband take away every blood clot thing from you. Your husband strip you from top to blood clot bottom. Your husband take back your house, he care every blood clot thing, man take back and run left you. Yeah, you remember the drunk crow. Chat, we beg you 7 rows.
Help me out over here. See 7 rows there?
7 rows, chat. We beg you 7 rows. Yes, blood clots, money. Move your blood clot self and go for yourself. You better sell out the whole of your old blood clot wall and drive the school bus. The school bus where you hardly can drive because when you drive the blood clot school bus, you piss up yourself same way in your pampas. Work hard and send the money come get blood clot TikTok police drunk crow. We not 8 pan you. Don't call me blood clot name drunk crow. Don't call me name. Imagine a man not foreign no want you. But you have to come at Jamaica, come look blood clot young boy. Move your blood clot and go. TikTok police are clean now with cobweb from out of your pussy.
They find them much pampas them.
A TikTok police are clean the cobweb from out of your hole. Yeah, nothing wrong with that, Elma. Why you vexing? Why are you running?
Really shit in a pampas them.
Man, when you come going, you want to feel away because we know say you jar down the elderly pampas. Eh?
Shit up police can't find a
man, I
nice
go
girl.
grind. Hey, man, I grind. You ain't no blood clot TikTok police. Are the elderly woman you start grind now? The boy gone for Auntie Elma page, LD and a ball said, I lose my page. Then go with $300. I can't believe it. And man, me say blood clock up on this, so you don't know say need a resume right now. What about the resume? What about the resume? Don't you think you need a motherfucking job?
Real fucking fool.
The boy over there, I talk about people pitney. You tell me say in this time you don't think say you need a motherfucking job at this moment. You over there come talk about please follow this page, please. I'm asking you. Then go with $300. $300 then go with me. I know what me I gonna do now. Move your blood clot and go from your soul. You think like.
My boy shit up police go look and walk. And we say life, my boy. And clean up yourself, man, and try be a man. And stop me come and mind you. Shit up police, boy.
You know what the thing is? You see when time the boy didn't use me, the woman they did know everything. The woman they did know everything. Me not yet from blood clot TikTok police do him have to do for himself. But for a big woman like that, they know say the stinking blood clot, shit up blood clot boy didn't use me. And she in pan the whole thing. Yeah, I just don't know bitch me I go give you my rat. Move your blood clot self and go take off your old blood clot jars with the piss in it. Where? You come here, sir, come chat up your thinking mouth. There's a hypocrite blood clot old man. There's a hypocrite blood clot old man. Move and go from your so. You go get everything where I come to your drunk crow. Guys, me tell you now, guys, oh my God, guys, me I beg you now. Everybody with the pan blue team because I know enough people go come over here for mix up. Guys, me I beg you if you can tap the screen, if you can support the live, guys. If the live not getting the support, make with this like
you make him look pretty, or you make him have name and look a little bit pretty like.
So now that me I tell you, and him still a live for my blood clot name.
You get nobody else. Nobody no girl now look for him.
Ungrateful drunk and him come out here and him tell the people them straight up say yes I use me, did I use her. So if Elma did that's one good person, she would have prayed that and I said, but him man even come out here and tell people say you use the woman for true. That the time Elma was in the middle of every blood clot thing. Yeah. Them block me. Them block you. Them I go block your ass.
Oh man?
I don't know how you thinking all the man a run go. I don't know where she a run go and I come in an argument go. I come talk about she by TV. You think like a dog. I saw me know is a wicked woman. Because she see a man tell me say me for work hard and fix up a place around the man and set the place because you're the woman. You know? Me say I want to advise me say when the boy hurt me LD now. I'm going to start with the woman. The woman see a man that road, I tell me, if you go back, go friend up back, you look a thinking boy. Now I know say they look a thinking woman that work with the blood clot, man. Yeah.
So two of them are work off a cloud.
Two of them are work together.
Oh. Yeah, man, go and mind him now, man.
Walk naked for Emmanuel left her and take away the house and land and the blood clot, everything from her. She can walk naked for me that the blood clot pussy they were full of grey hair and her civil body will drop on ground. Where am I go walk naked for me for? He might go take up in body off high ground when he start walk naked. He might go take up in pony jaw and in body jaw. That the civil blood clot body jaw they might go walk naked for me for. Eh? Then you know wasting time. Then you know wasting time. May I beg you?
My boy be a skirt. Can't put on no rare. A pampas to go show.
Then you know wasting time my blood clot. There's the Auntie Elma says she go walk naked for me. Look here, tell Auntie Elma if you take up in pum pum jar when she go walk naked for me and tie up in batty jar when she walk. Cause all of them they go lanky and jar ground. That the civil batty there and civil pony there you go walk naked for me for. And when TikTok police are bite that the batty jar the piece of skin
oh, Elma she name. She's in a pampas.
when TikTok police are bite that the batty jar there.
I'm going to be there and clean her up.